Welcome back, coin collectors. Today we're taking a close look at a fascinating 1978 Eisenhower dollar, a coin that many people still find in old collections and forgotten drawers. At first glance it may look like an ordinary dollar, but some versions of this coin can be far more valuable depending on their condition, mint mark, and rare features. In this video, we'll explore what makes the 1978 Eisenhower dollar special, how to identify key details like the mint mark, and the signs that could increase its value. You'll also learn why certain high-grade or rare varieties attract serious collectors and can sell for impressive prices. So before you spend or ignore any old dollar coins you have, watch carefully. You might be holding a hidden treasure. Let's dive in and discover the real story and value behind this classic American coin. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore one of the most famous and historic American dollar coins, the 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower bicentennial dollar. This coin was issued to celebrate 200 years of American independence, and because of that special occasion, it holds a unique place in coin collecting history. At first glance, this coin looks large, bold, and very impressive. On the front side, you can see the portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower with the word liberty at the top and the famous phrase, "In God we trust." What makes this coin different from normal dates is the dual date 1776 to 1976, which was used only for the bicentennial celebration. This instantly tells collectors that the coin is part of a special commemorative issue. Now let's talk about the reverse side. Instead of the usual eagle design, this coin features the Liberty Bell with the moon behind it. This design represents both American independence and the space achievements of the United States. The Liberty Bell symbolizes freedom, while the moon connects to the Apollo missions. Because of this meaningful combination, many collectors consider this one of the most beautiful designs ever used on a dollar coin. These bicentennial dollars were produced at different mints, mainly Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. If you look closely near the date or on the front side, you may find a mint mark such as D or S. Coins without a mint mark usually come from Philadelphia. The mint mark plays an important role in determining the value because some versions were produced in smaller numbers or special finishes. Another important factor is the metal composition. Most of these coins were made for circulation using a copper-nickel clad composition. However, some special collector editions were made with 40% silver, especially those from the San Francisco Mint. Silver versions are usually more valuable, particularly if they are in uncirculated or proof condition. Condition is one of the biggest factors that affects the price. Coins that are heavily used, scratched, or worn generally sell for only a small premium over face value. But if you find a coin that still has sharp details, original luster, and minimal marks, its value can increase significantly. High-grade uncirculated coins or professionally graded examples can sometimes sell for much higher prices in the collector market. There are also certain rare varieties and errors that collectors always search for. These may include double die features, off-center strikes, or unusual minting mistakes. Even a small error can make a common coin much more desirable. That is why it is always a good idea to carefully inspect the lettering, the date, and the design elements with a magnifying glass. Many people still have this coin in old collections, drawers, or inherited coin sets because millions were produced during the bicentennial celebration. Even though most are common, some specific versions, especially silver proofs or high-grade pieces, can be worth a surprising amount. This is why collectors never recommend spending old dollar coins without checking them first. If you ever find this coin, try to store it properly. Avoid cleaning it, because cleaning can reduce its collector value. Keep it in a protective holder or coin flip to preserve its condition. Proper storage can make a big difference over time, especially if the coin is already in nice shape. The 1776 to 1976 Eisenhower bicentennial dollar is not just a piece of currency. It is a symbol of history, independence, and technological achievement. Its unique design, special date, and multiple varieties make it a favorite among both beginner and advanced collectors. So next time you come across a large American dollar coin with a Liberty Bell on the back, don't ignore it. Take a closer look, check the mint mark, examine the condition, and you might discover that you are holding a valuable collectible from an important moment in history. If you enjoy learning about rare and historic coins like this, stay connected with the channel, because we regularly explore coins that could be hiding real value in everyday collections. Let's continue the journey of discovering the true worth behind old and rare coin. Exploring another important coin from the famous Eisenhower dollar series, the 1978 United States $1. This year is especially significant because 1978 was the final year the large-size Eisenhower dollar was produced for circulation, making it a historic closing chapter for this iconic design. On the obverse side, the coin features the strong and recognizable portrait of President Dwight D. Eisenhower facing left. Above his head you will see the word Liberty, and near the portrait appears the national motto, "In God We Trust." At the bottom, the date 1978 is clearly struck, confirming the last year of this legendary dollar coin series. The bold portrait gives the coin a powerful and authoritative appearance that reflects Eisenhower's leadership and legacy. When we turn the coin to the reverse side, we see the famous eagle landing on the surface of the moon while holding an olive branch. This design was inspired by the Apollo 11 mission insignia and represents peace, strength, and American achievement in space exploration. Around the outer edge you can read, United States of America, and $1, while the phrase, E pluribus unum, appears above the eagle. The 1978 Eisenhower dollar was minted mainly at the Philadelphia and Denver mints. Coins from Denver carry the small D mint mark, while Philadelphia issues usually have no mint mark. These small details are very important for collectors because different mint locations can influence rarity and collector demand. Most 1978 Eisenhower dollars were produced using a copper-nickel clad composition, giving the coin its silver-like shine without containing significant silver. Unlike some earlier special collector issues in the series, regular 1978 circulation coins were not struck in 40% silver, which makes high-quality examples more dependent on condition rather than metal content. Condition plays one of the biggest roles in determining how much a 1978 Eisenhower dollar might be worth. Coins that still show original mint luster, sharp lines in Eisenhower's hair, and clear eagle feather details are considered more desirable. Heavily circulated coins are very common, but uncirculated or mint-state pieces can attract stronger collector interest. Another reason this coin is popular is because it marks the end of the large U.S. dollar coin era. After 1978, the United States introduced the smaller Susan B. Anthony dollar, which completely changed the size and style of the $1 coin. Because of this transition, many collectors like to keep the 1978 Eisenhower dollar as a symbolic last issue of the classic big dollar. Although many 1978 Eisenhower dollars are still found at affordable prices, certain high-grade examples, well-preserved mint sets, and attractive coins with strong luster can sell for higher premiums in the collector's market. That is why it is always recommended to examine the coin carefully under good lighting. If you have a 1978 Eisenhower $1 in your collection, check the mint mark, look closely at the surface for scratches or wear, and avoid cleaning the coin. Cleaning can reduce its collector value. Storing the coin in a protective holder helps preserve its original condition. In the end, the 1978 Eisenhower dollar is not just a $1 coin, it is a historical piece that represents the legacy of President Eisenhower, the pride of the space-age design, and the final chapter of America's large-size dollar coins. Whether common or high-grade, it remains a meaningful and impressive addition to any collection, connecting collectors to a unique moment in United States coin history.